Hello, dear viewers, Changan has presented the Avatr 12 Super Sedan, created together with Huawei. The press service of the car manufacturer shared the official photos, predicting that it was ahead of the moment of the leak by the Ministry of Industry and Commerce of the People's Republic of China. The sedan has an unusual body without a rear glass, a huge trunk lid with a built-in spoiler, and cameras are installed everywhere. The mirrors have been replaced with them. There are separate devices above the numbers, under the rear logo, even on the front fenders. The Avatr 12 is a full-size electric hatchback with the brand's signature design language. But representatives of the brand prefer to call it Gran Coupe. It has dual level lights with high beams integrated into the front bumper. On the back side, the Avatr 12 does not have a rear glass. Instead, there's a huge sunroof that doubles as a rear window. Optionally available with cameras instead of rear view mirrors. Its dimensions are 5020x1999 1/460ths of a millimeter, wheelbase is 3020 millimeters. To be clear, it's 29 mm shorter, 62 mm wider and 37 mm lower than the Porsche Panamera. Its wheelbase is 70 mm longer than the Panamera. Available in 8 exterior matte and gloss colors. The Avatr 12 rests on the CHN platform developed by Changan, Huawei and CATL. Its chassis has an air suspension that increases comfort and allows it to be raised by 45 mm. Avatr 12 CDC has an active damping system. Inside, the Avatr 12 has a giant screen that runs through the center console. Its diameter reaches 35.4 inches. It also has a 15.6-inch touchscreen display powered by HarmonyOS 4. The Avatr 12 also features 27 speakers and 64-color ambient lighting. It also has a small octagonal steering wheel with a rear-mounted gear shifter. If you've opted for side view cameras, you'll get 2 more 6.7-inch monitors. The Avatr 12 also features an advanced self-driving system with 3 LiDAR sensors. It supports highway and city smart navigation functions. This means that the car can move on its own. The driver only needs to select the destination point and carefully monitor the driving process. There are 2 wireless charging pads and a hidden compartment in the center tunnel. Its seats are wrapped in Nappa leather. The front seats of the Avatr 12 can be reclined to an angle of 114 degrees. They are heated, ventilated and equipped with an 8-point massage function.